Lunch today. I have onion, then garlic, have pork cubes with carlang and cabbage. I don't know what's in English of carlang. Then this is pork. So I make pork soup today. Soup. Make soup today. Pork soup. Okay, just a little more. And this is the best. Smells good and for the taste. I don't know what's in English, but in province here, in the name, this one is tanglad. Tanglad. Next is I put some. Make it watch just little. And this one. This one. And now I put water. Then waiting for boiling. Now it's boiling. So I put this carlang. Nag-sleep ay pagsigsaba diha. So and then put some salt. Then add Genie Mato. This one. And now this is the last. Cabbage. Cabbage. After the cabbage, after one boiling, it's okay now. So ready to eat. After this one. Okay, waiting for boiling.